So, it's almost summer, you're going through your fridge and you're like, what else can I throw on the grill? I have an amazing eggplant dish for you guys. It has citrus, it has peanuts, it has scallions. It's amazing. We're gonna cook it right now. Let's get cooking. Okay, so for this recipe, I like to use Japanese eggplants because they're thinner and cook faster. But if you don't have access to these, then just make sure you cut your eggplants into wedges similar to the ones that I show here. We're gonna start off by cutting the tops off these babies before having them lengthwise and then widthwise, if you can say that without conjuring memories of when you had a speech impediment. Once you have all these halves halved, lay them flesh side up and give each one a generous coating of kosher salt. We want to pull as much moisture out of them before heading to the grill. They'll need to sweat for about half an hour, so when you're 20 minutes into this, go preheat your grill to a medium flame. After 30 minutes, grab a paper towel or cloth and thoroughly dry each eggplant, and then add some olive oil to the flesh side of each eggplant. Time to grill these babies. Lay them on the grill flesh side down and don't be afraid to bunch them together. We're going to be cooking these for about 20-25 minutes or until you see nice char marks on the flesh side. Close the lid and head inside because we got more stuff to do. While the eggplants are sweating, we're going to go slice up some garlic. Grab 8 cloves and slice them as thin as you can. Feel free to add more cloves, but I wouldn't recommend using less because we're going to be infusing the oil and you really want that garlicky flavor coming through. Then put about 4 or 5 tablespoons of a neutral oil into a pan and set it to a medium flame. We want to cook this garlic until it just starts to brown, and then we're just going to kill the heat and leave the garlic and oil in the pan. Then grab the nastiest, ugliest looking scallions rotting in the bottom of your fridge, trim the ends, and start slicing from the root all the way until it starts to branch. If you don't have scallions, you can use a white onion and dice it into similar sized pieces as I'm cutting the scallions into. I promise we're at the end here. Take a lime and slice the sides off, leaving the center intact. Grab your eggplants off the grill and put them on whatever plate you're going to be serving them on. It's time to garnish this bad boy. Squeeze that lime center all over your eggplants and then grab your pan of crispy garlic and oil and pour it on too. Garnish the plate with your scallions, a pinch of salt, and the peanuts your brother ate so you couldn't film that part. And that's about it. All that's left to do is put your plate in front of a camera and make an awkward outro. All right, so to review, we salted our eggplant, we threw them in the grill with some oil, we fried up some garlic, we put in some scallions, some lime, and some salt, and all that's left to do is give it a try. So I'm gonna dig right in here. I love the garlic chips, so I'm going with one with a bunch of garlic chips. It's just so good. I mean, the garlic with the citrus, you get like a bitter and a tangy, and it's the perfect treat for the summer. I couldn't recommend this more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button or subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time.